All right, guys, we've got the Wexica 7-piece open house sign for real estate. This is 18 by 24. These things work both ways, as you can see. And I love that you get 7 of these. So these are great for realtors. And look how easy they are to use. All you do, you've just got these little holes there, those perforated holes, and you basically just slide them right up there. I mean, this works super easy. Boom. So that's already in there, and then all we do is just stick that end into the ground. And again, it's omnidirectional. So, or is that the right way of saying it? It works both ways, which is really cool. So if you're into real estate, or you work for someone who's into real estate, and maybe you're getting into it, the value you're getting for these, the fact that these are so easy to put together, you can just always have them in the trunk of your car. Again, you get 7 of them. Look how easy it is to use. You don't need a special mallet, special thing to get these on. They just go on real easy. You have a space here where you could even put like a phone number or something like that if you wanted to. Again, it works both sides. At the end of the day, I think this is an incredible value. And if you're into real estate, you've got to get 7 of these at least.